What's up, YouTube? Today we have water and we're back with another short. Yeah. Yup, more. And today I'm gonna show y'all a trick about drinking water. Just watch. About to take a sip. It never say. See, I can't do it when I drink water. I think I'm high. See? Let me show y'all again.